YouTube Shorts channels are cashing out big time. Take a look at this channel with hundreds of millions of views, making thousands of dollars every month on autopilot. And the best part? All of their content is made by AI, no need to show their face, and everything from the scripts to the edits and titles is generated by artificial intelligence. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I recreated 100 viral YouTube Shorts in just 10 minutes using AI tools. Yes, you heard that right. 100 viral videos in 10 minutes. Let's dive in. Step 1. ChatGPT for script creation. The first tool we're going to use is ChatGPT. You'll want to sign up for a basic account, and once you're logged in, it's time to put this AI to work. We're going to ask ChatGPT to generate the text copy for our 100 viral videos. But here's the secret sauce: you want to make sure that your prompts are optimized for maximum relatability. First, I went back to a successful Shorts channel and clicked on some of their most popular videos. By analyzing these, I got a sense of what topics resonate with audiences. Then, I jumped back into ChatGPT and asked it to come up with a list of catchy titles and 3 key points for each one. I made sure to guide the AI, asking for titles that were broad, relatable, and engaging, such as tips that might save your life rather than overly specific topics. After a few tweaks and some coaching, ChatGPT produced a batch of titles that felt just right, catchy, engaging, and highly relatable. I then instructed it to generate 25 more titles based on themes like safety, friendships, dating advice, and more, and organized all the responses into an Excel sheet. This setup would allow me to keep everything structured and easy to reference. Step 2. Organizing the content. Once we had our 100 lines of viral content, it was time to organize everything. I asked ChatGPT format the output in an Excel spreadsheet style, grouping each title and its corresponding points neatly. This allowed me to easily copy and paste all of our content into an Excel or Google Sheets document, perfect for automating the next steps. Step 3. Designing the videos in Canva. Now let's jump into Canva to create our viral videos. On the homepage, I selected the mobile video option and chose a template that resembled the viral shorts I was aiming for. I added a bold title at the top and smaller text sections for the key points. I made sure that the background was dimmed enough to make the text pop. The idea here is to keep the video visually appealing but simple so viewers focus on the message. For maximum retention, I kept each video around 7 seconds long. Why? Because a shorter video means viewers won't have enough time to finish reading all the points, which makes them rewatch the video, boosting my watch time and signaling to the YouTube algorithm that my content is worth pushing further. Step 4. Bulk creation with Canva's automation. Here's the part where the magic happens: bulk creating the videos. I used Canva's bulk create feature to link the elements of my videos to the corresponding lines in my Excel spreadsheet. By simply copying the first 25 lines and pasting them into Canva, I could generate 25 videos instantly. After linking each element of the video to the data points, I hit continue, and just like that, my first 25 videos were ready to go. I repeated this process 4 times to get all 100 videos made. The only thing left was to make each video look slightly different by changing the background footage. YouTube now allows you to use well-known songs, sharing revenue with the music owners, which is a great trade-off for increased reach. Before moving on, it's essential to understand a bit more about the YouTube Shorts algorithm. The most important metric here is watch time. The algorithm loves videos that keep viewers engaged, which means that if your content gets rewatched, commented on, or shared, it's more likely to be boosted to a wider audience. One effective way to increase watch time is by encouraging more comments. When someone comments on a YouTube short, the video continues to play in the background, which helps boost your average view duration. To encourage comments, include a thought-provoking question in the caption or add a point that's a little controversial, something that makes people want to share their opinion. We've all been there, scrolling through the comments to see what others have to say or even adding our own 2 cents. If you can get your audience to interact like this, their comments will start working in your favor, helping your video reach more viewers. Step 5. Automating the process. The process of making 100 videos might sound overwhelming, but automation tools make it incredibly manageable. Canva's bulk create feature is a game changer. Once you've linked your spreadsheet data to Canva's templates, it's just a matter of letting the software do the heavy lifting for you. This process allowed me to generate multiple videos without having to recreate each one manually. But what about scaling even further? If you want to maximize your output, you can look into using even more automation tools. For instance, combining Canva with tools like Zapier can help you create workflows that take your video creation to the next level. Step 6. Optimizing for engagement. With your 100 YouTube Shorts ready, the next step is optimizing them for engagement. This means paying attention to your titles, thumbnails, and captions. The titles should be intriguing enough to stop the scroll. Remember that YouTube Shorts is a very competitive space, and the window of their attention spans for only a few seconds. It's highly likely that something as specific as 3 tips that could save your life is going to pull viewers in rather than something vague. Thumbnails should never be underrated. Even though YouTube Shorts are largely viewed through swiping, A great thumbnail can easily be the one that convinces viewers to open up your content. And as Canva is easy and beautifully tailored for thumbnail design, that could also help upgrade your CTR. Captions and descriptions are another key aspect. Use your captions to add context and encourage engagement. Ask questions or make bold statements that prompt viewers to comment. An engaging caption not only draws viewers in but also helps boost your average view duration as they interact with your video. Step 7. Adding music for virality. Another important factor in creating viral YouTube Shorts is the inclusion of relevant music. Music becomes a great tool that triggers emotions and keeps viewers interested. YouTube has since allowed its content creators to use popular songs through its creator music. The condition is that the creators will have to share the income with the creators of the music. However, this deal would be great if the music improves the overall engagement of the video. A catchy song can make the difference between a video that gets a few hundred views and one that goes viral. When choosing music, think about the vibe of your content. For motivational shorts, upbeat and energetic tracks work best. For emotional content, slower, dramatic songs can help enhance the impact of your message. Step 8. Scheduling and posting strategy. Part of the larger strategy would be to create 100 videos. But to get those videos in front of eyes takes a solid posting schedule. I genuinely feel posting 2 shorts a day, one at dawn and one at dusk, really gets your content in front of eyeballs when your audience is waking up or winding down at night. And of course, consistency is a must. The YouTube algorithm favors the channels that upload content regularly, hence, setting up a consistent schedule of uploads enhances the performance of your content. With the help of YouTube's scheduling feature, you can pre-plan your uploads. There are a few common pitfalls to avoid when creating YouTube Shorts. One major mistake is trying to transition from shorts to long-form content on the same channel. Shorts attract viewers with shorter attention spans, and these viewers are less likely to watch longer videos. If your goal is to create long-form content eventually, consider starting a separate channel for it. Another problem is ignoring interaction. Everybody can just focus on the number, but you should not forget that YouTube loves those videos that keep viewers accompanying them till the videos end. Comment on comments, ask questions, and create community around your channel. The more engaged the viewers are, the better your content will turn out. Once you have successfully created and published your first 100 shorts, you will wonder what next. Your YouTube sensation is all about the scaling up process. Keep trying different types and formats to know what the people like most about your video contents. Keep track of video performance using analytics. Make suitable adjustments to your strategy. Another efficient way of scaling is through content reuse. The shorts you create can be shared on different platforms, including TikTok and Instagram Reels. Different platforms have different audiences, thus, the same content reused will reach a broader audience without necessarily making new videos. Creating 100 viral YouTube Shorts in just 10 minutes seems impossible, however. It is possible with proper tools and strategies. With AI tools such as ChatGPT, using the automation features available in Canva, and the right posting strategy, you may very well run the whole process and obtain content that could be viral. From being optional tools to must-haves in keeping the competitive edge sharp, artificial intelligence and automation are making their mark in the content creation landscape. Whether just starting out or a seasoned content creator looking to take it to the next level, these strategies set forth today have the potential to push one's channel to the next tier. Prepare to dive into YouTube Shorts and start creating some viral content? Go ahead. Begin experimenting, make the best of what is available, and watch your channel take off. Don't forget that consistency and engagement are key. Keep posting, keep interacting, and most importantly, have fun. All those opportunities create endless potential for success with YouTube Shorts. Stay tuned for more content, and don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes tips on how to grow your channel. Thanks for watching.